Welcome to Basecamp. This is the introductory video to Basecamp. This is the homepage for Price of Business Basecamp. This is going to be your project space. So let's go through this page. This video is for the HRC and HRTS interns. So under this homepage, you're going to find various tabs like to-dos, calendar, and time. What you can find here is the common calendar that all the interns share. On this calendar, you can mark your projects if you're going to be out of office or any meetings that you're going to have. Whatever you mark on this calendar is going to be visible to all the team members or interns working on Price of Business. What you can find over here are the various project spaces under which different teams operate. So as an HR, you will be working under the HR team space. Other important team spaces that would be important for you are the internship orientation, which you will be going through during your onboarding and orientation, and also the Price of Business team news, which is where we post the agendas and recaps for our weekly Price of Business team meetings, which is attended by all the interns, Kevin Price and Super Julie. So let's go through these project spaces one by one. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the HR team space. As a HRC and HRTC, you will be working under this project space. So this project space has various tabs called messages, to-dos, calendars, whiteboards, time, and files. So the first important tab is messages. Under messages, we will be creating an agenda and recap message thread for you, and this is how it will look like. So here you would have your name and your agenda and recap checking in, checking out as the title. Your primary HRC will create this first post on this thread for you, and going ahead you would be creating a similar message, meeting agendas and recap notes under this thread. You will also be checking in and checking out under this thread. So you will be having a weekly supervisor meeting, and for each of those meetings you're going to create an agenda in this similar format, in which you are going to add the date and the time of your meeting, your name, your supervisor's name, your and their Skype IDs, and how are you going to get into Basecamp, and also the agenda for the meeting. Once your meeting is over, you will be posting recap notes. You will be posting recap notes under the same thread, capturing what was the agenda, and what all you went through with your supervisor in that meeting, and your what are the weekly goals that your supervisor has given you. You will also be checking in every time you log into Basecamp and checking out once you log out of Basecamp. It is strongly advised that once you log into Basecamp, you're planning to be there the whole day, just check out at the end of the day. You don't need to check in and check out every time you log in and out of Basecamp. Just do it once in a day. The first time you log in the morning, and the last time that you log out of Basecamp. Alright. So let us see the other message threads that are going to be important for you, other than your agenda and recap thread. We are going to have a weekly HRC meeting for all those interns, all the HR coordinator interns, and HRTS meeting for all the HR talent scout interns. You will be attending this meeting along with the weekly supervisor meeting and the weekly Price of Business meeting. Also, our general week is from every Monday to Sunday, So every Sunday evening or by Monday morning, you will be posting your weekly results on this thread. So your weekly results should be in this format. You should give the date of the week that you are posting the weekly results for. Post what all goals you have completed in that week, what concerns that you have during that week, what all have you done to be successful in that week, what are goals you have achieved, and also what was the best thing that has happened to you in that week. The next important thread that you will be subscribing to is the for the HRTS team is the intern needs update. Here you will find the weekly updated intern needs. So so your supervisor will be giving you the weekly intern needs, and you are supposed to start recruiting interns according to whatever needs have been posted on a weekly basis. Here you will also post any new updates about whichever new candidates that you will be interviewing for the first time. So just please add their name, the position that you are interviewing the intern about, and the date of the first interview. If you are going to be out of office, please post in the out of office thread over here. So you can always write, hey team, I'm going to be out of office for whatever reason, and whether you will be able to answer emails or calls or Skype if possible. If not, you can always write here that you cannot, and your name, and add the comment so that you can leave it on this thread for everybody to see. The next thread that you will be subscribing to is the POB HR team agenda and recap notes. So this is the team meeting that all the HR interns will be attending, the HRC as well as the HRTS. So here we have the agenda for the weekly Price of Business HR meetings, and here we also post the recap of every every weekly meeting. So every week we have a new team leader, we have a new person who leads the meeting, and you will be told who will be leading the meeting at the end of the meeting. We also have created an Excel which gives you the list of people who would be leading the next meeting. Your supervisor will let you know how to access that Excel. The final thread that you will be subscribing to is the intro question and comments. So as a new intern, you will be subscribing to this thread, and also the first thing you will do after finishing your orientation is introducing yourself to the team and give your signature, and whatever introductory post that you add over here, please make sure that you go out of the HR team space, go to the Price of Business team news, messages, intros and questions, and post the same message in this space and add the comment. Alright, so back to the HR team space. Next, what we are going to see is the write boards. So the write boards is basically where we store all our documents, all our files and documents that document our processes. So right from process 1 until process 109 are all the processes that every HRTS intern is going to go through. You will be reading through all these processes, and this is how you will be conducting your recruitments. You will find all helpful templates, tips and tricks, how to conduct interviews, different templates for uploading intern bios, sending the template for internship agreements, how to recruit on various job sites. Everything has been posted over here, and you will be following those. For the HRCs, you will be going through all the processes starting from 200 until process 214. So these deal with all the tasks that the HR coordinators are supposed to complete in your internship at Price of Business. Please go through all these processes, and you will be conducting all the tasks according to the various processes that have been outlined over here. Then this is another important tab. This is where we generally store an Excel of our various team meetings, our ongoing projects, where the projects are basically the status of those projects which are on priority. This is all for the HR team members for their reference, and for the supervisors to keep track of how all the projects are going. You can always access all three of these to make sure that you are on top of things. This is the TPR report. Mainly the HRC will be updating the TPR reports on weekly basis. Here you can see how many hours you have completed every week, and how many hours do you have left to go to complete 200 hours of your internship. Here you can also find templates for various other useful templates that you will be requiring during your internship here, including the welcome email that the HRC sends, the letter of recommendation that the HRC writes. So a lot of useful files you can find under this tab. Finally, let's look at the time tab. So all the HRCs and HRTS, you are going to record your time over here. So what you will do is all the time that you spend doing in your internship, either on Basecamp or recruiting or any other task that has been assigned to you, what we do is that every 6 minutes we count it as 1 unit. So if you have spent in a day, if you have spent 6 minutes on your internship, you will add it as 0.1. If you have done 12 minutes, it would be 0.2. If you have worked for 1 hour in a day on your internship, it would be 1.0, and so forth. And once you add in the time, write the description of all the tasks that you have completed during that day that count towards the internship, and add it to the log. This way your internship time will be recorded over here. So this is basically an overview of basically a very introductory video and a basic overview of Basecamp for the HR interns, the HRCs and HRTS. More in-depth information about Basecamp, about your HR project space, will be given to you by your supervisors. If you have any queries, or if you don't understand anything in this video, you can always reach out to your HRCs or your supervisors and they will shed more light on it. Thank you.